Our bodies lose vital vitamins and minerals while we are ill. The loss of essential minerals can prolong and worsen our illnesses. We can lose electrolytes through stomach infections and flu. Electrolytes are substances that turn into ions when dissolved in a solution. In our bodies, sodium, potassium, and chloride are the three most prevalent electrolytes. Electrolyte imbalance can have a huge impact on our vital organs like our kidneys, heart, lungs. Potassium deficiency can result from vomiting, diarrhea, certain medications, poor diet. If you have one of these 5 problems, you may have low potassium levels. 1. Digestive issues. Challenging bowel movements can result from low potassium levels. We may not have balanced levels if we have gas and constipation. Consume enough potassium to keep your digestive system functioning. 2. Water retention. Potassium helps control how much salt is in our bodies. A deficiency can lead to elevated sodium levels. You might experience persistent fluid retention if your diet is deficient in potassium. High blood pressure is an additional negative effect. 3. Lethargy. Your body needs potassium to work well. When you're sick or lose important electrolytes, you might often feel tired and lethargic. Low potassium levels are a symptom of general weakness. 4. Nerve problems. A sizable part of the health of our nerves is due to potassium. We might feel tingling in our extremities when we don't receive enough potassium. Many studies link low potassium levels to numbness. 5. Heart irregularities. Like other electrolytes, potassium influences how well our bodies conduct electricity. The rhythm of our heartbeat is set by electric impulses. Its rhythm may change if we lose the ability to send these electric pulses. This may happen because we don't have enough potassium in our bodies. Our hearts may start to palpitate and flutter when we are deficient in potassium. If you notice that you're always struggling with one or more of these issues, try adding these foods to your diet to increase your potassium levels. This will help put you back on the path to improved health. Consider the following. 1. Coconut water. Besides being a solid, potassium can be liquid. Each cup of natural coconut water has 600 milligrams of potassium. Make sure the brand you buy doesn't include any extra sweeteners or preservatives. 2. Fruits. Fruits like avocados, apricots, and pomegranates are ideal for someone deficient in potassium. Pomegranates are a fantastic way to increase your potassium intake. This is due to their seeds and delicious juice. Besides its other important vitamins, pomegranate has about 650 milligrams of potassium. Dried apricots, in particular, increase potassium levels. They can also help maintain a healthy weight. The amount of potassium in only half a cup of dried apricots is over 800 milligrams. Avocados are a real superfood. They have a significant potassium content of approximately 1000 milligrams. 3. Sweet potato. The orange sweet potato is not only abundant in potassium, 850 milligrams. It is abundant in beta-carotene and vitamin C. Sweet potatoes are both delicious and healthier than regular white potatoes. 4. Spinach. Popeye's favorite vegetable offered him an extra energy boost. It keeps him strong and healthy. You can find high potassium levels in spinach. It tastes delicious cooked or raw in a salad. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe for more advice and recipes.